Is the live text feature not working on iPhone? Hey there, this is Eve, and here in this video we will show you how to solve the iPhone's live text feature not working issues. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. First, make sure that live text is enabled on your iPhone. Go to Settings, scroll down, Camera. First, toggle on Show Detected Text. Scroll down a little, toggle on Scene Detection feature on iPhone. Quickly after this process, reopen Settings on iPhone. Scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Language, scroll down, toggle on Live Text. After these settings, your problem should be solved. But if you still have issues, you can try resetting your iPhone. If none of these steps work, please comment down below and let me know. Thanks for watching.